Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to skip the product key during a Windows 8.1 installation. Sometimes while installing Windows 8.1, the setup asks for a product key immediately, and there is no skip button or I don't have a key option available. Don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Now create a new text file. Enter these lines exactly as shown, or you can find these lines in the description. Copy then paste it here. Now click File, then Save As. Enter file name, ei.cfg. Change Save As type to All Files. Encoding ANSI, then save it. Saving the ei.cfg file, as ANSI helps Windows setup read the file correctly during installation. Next, copy this file to your Windows 8.1 USB drive. Open the Sources folder inside the USB drive and paste the file there. That's it. Now restart the Windows 8.1 installation again. This time, the setup will skip the product key screen, and you can continue the installation normally without entering a key. After Windows installation is complete, you can activate Windows later using a genuine product key. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.